you the mommy or the baby?
I'm the baby.
Whose baby?
Me.
What's your name?
A baby.
Your name is Baby? Your name is Baby? Or are you the mommy? You the mommy?
Mm-hmm.
What am I?
Mom.
And what are you?
I'm Olivia.
Olivia what?
What's this? Let's go on this.
Yeah, but I was trying to videotape you because you were being very funny. Are you funny?
Don't get this off. Shoot.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
That. You don't get presents.
Why?
Put this back.
Put what back?
Put this back.
You want me to put the iPad away?
You put it away.
I want to videotape you.
No, I'm not being very funny.
You're not being very funny?
No, put it away.
Can you be funny?
Put the iPad away.
How old are you?
Put the iPad away.
Why?
Put it on the counter.
Why?
Put it on the counter.
Are you a bossy?
No, I'm not bossy.
You're not?
No.
You're being a little bossy.
I'm not being a little bossy.
What are you eating? Can I have some of your cereal?
No.
Why? Can I have some? Okay, can you say bye-bye? Have a great day.
Okay.
Are you cute?
I say hi.
Mm-hmm.